Okay, let's jump right in. Today, we are doing a deep dive on a very specific, um, real workhorse of AV infrastructure, the Blustream HEX70CS-TX HDBaseT Transmitter.
Right. And this is a device that a lot of you probably know. It's for when you need to send high bandwidth signals over long distances, but without going to fiber.
Exactly.
So our mission today is to really get into the technical details, the trade-offs that are built right into this unit. Its whole identity is about efficiency. It's extending HDMI, bidirectional IR, RS-232, and even power over cable, or PAC,
And all of that over a single SEC cable.
all over one cable. It uses advanced HDBaseT. But the real key, the thing we need to focus on, is the color space conversion, CSC.
That's it. That CSC feature is what really defines the performance limits, and it's where the planning comes in for you, the installer. So for instance, if you're just pushing a standard 1080p signal, you've got a ton of flexibility. The transmission distance goes up to 70 meters.
Which is a great run for most standard distribution, sure.
Hmm.
But the moment you start talking about premium content, well, physics has a say.
And that's where the numbers change.
Drastically. If you need that pristine top-tier 4K at 60 hertz 4.4.4 UHD video, the signal that really puts a strain on any copper cable,
Hey.
the max reliable range just drops down to 40 meters.
Wow. Okay, from 70 to 40, that's a huge difference.
It is, and it really shows how much this product relies on that color space conversion to make it work.
So at that 40-meter mark, you're getting the full uncompromised signal. Is that the idea?
Well, almost. It supports the full HDMI 2.0 18GBP spec, which is huge.
Okay.
It includes HDR, and it's fully HDCP 2.2 compliant.
Which is non-negotiable these days.
Absolutely. The key is that the CSC, the color space conversion, is what kicks in to sort of compress that high bandwidth 4.4.4 color space to fit it down the HDBaseT pipe.
Yeah.
So that 40-meter limit is really the sweet spot where that conversion is optimized.
It's still pretty impressive that it can maintain all that, especially with high-end audio formats.
Oh, for sure.
We're talking full pass-through for Dolby QHD, Atmos, DTS-HD master audio.
Everything. All known HDMI audio formats. And for you, in a custom install where the sound is just as important as the picture, that's critical.
Absolutely. Okay, so moving beyond signal throughput, let's talk about the control layer, system integration.
Right, this is another area where it shines. You get full bidirectional RS-232 pass-through.
The backbone of any large automation system.
It really is. And on top of that, you also get bidirectional IR pass-through. Blustream even included switchable 5V12V hardware support.
Which is a nice touch for dealing with different IR gear out in the field.
A very thoughtful touch.
You know, there's one physical detail that I think often gets overlooked on these units, but it's essential for system design, the HDMI loop out.
Ah, yes. It's not an afterthought. It's a crucial design choice.
Why is it so important?
Well, that loop out lets you integrate a local display right at the source. Think a monitor in the rack room for diagnostics.
Or you could use it to cascade the signal to another device, right?
Exactly. Without needing a complex splitter. It simplifies the architecture. And remember that PC we mentioned earlier.
Power over cable.
Right. The transmitter unit here can actually be powered by the receiver unit it's connected to. So you might not even need a power outlet at the source end. A huge plus for clean installs.
So let's tie this all together for someone designing a system right now. What's the bottom line?
The bottom line is the HEX70CS-TX is designed to deliver very complex, very high bandwidth signals. We're talking 4K video, lossless audio over a single efficient CCAT cable run.
And just for quick reference, the price today is sitting at $462. It ships within 24 hours and comes with a solid 5-year warranty.
So if we bring this back to the big picture, it really poses a central design challenge for you. Given that you can send 1080p up to 70 meters, but that gold standard 4K 60 Hz 4.4.4 signal has a hard stop at 40 meters, how much meticulous planning do you need to do to make sure every single one of your cable runs stays under that 40-meter threshold? Because you know that going even a little bit over forces a color space conversion that might not meet your client's expectations. That 30-meter difference is really the geometry of success or failure in a big installation.